Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a camera roll that isn't backed up by Snapchat issue. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. When you tap open Snapchat, if you go to your camera roll, then you'll be able to see a message that says your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Might look like a problem, but actually, it isn't. It means that your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. It is only available locally on your phone. You can still access your camera roll from Snapchat, but only on the device. The pictures are stored on this message that you are receiving that says your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. T is there in order to prevent confusion, as many people viewing their camera roll Snapchat may think their library is backed up. Since Snapchat is not meant to be a place for cloud photo storage, your best option for that would be Google Photos or something similar. That's why there is no obvious way to back up your images on Snapchat. However, if you move the camera roll images to My Eyes only, they will back up to Snapchat. Also, if you post camera roll images or video to a story, you can add them to your memories. That is how you can fix camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. As I told you earlier, this isn't a problem at all. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.